Now I'm gonna laugh during probate commentary. Okay, that's gonna sound good. Probate is the first step in administering a deceased person's estate. Now, an executor is appointed in order to go through this process. And also, probate exists either if there is a will in place or not a will. So the valid will determine how the estate is transferred. Now, if there is not a valid will, the laws of the state will decide who is going to get parts of the estate. Now, also the bills that are paid through the estates have a certain order, and the order changes by state as well. So usually the fees, the legal fees, the advertising fees are the first expenses, which is what are called the estate administrator cost. Also family allowances, funeral expenses, taxes and debts, and all remaining claims are usually at the end. So therefore, there is a certain process. As I said, the state determines how these bills are paid in a certain order. Now, as far as probate, you would say, why would somebody want to sell a property at probate if there is an heir? Well, most heirs also inherit problems and debts once they inherit the estate. So therefore, they do want to cash out from the property, especially if they don't want a specific property or parcel of real estate, and they would prefer cash so they can settle the debts and get their own distribution. So that's the main reason why probate properties can be very win-win situation for both investors and the heirs. Now, how do you locate probate properties? Well, they are public information, so therefore there are several online directories you can access. Also, legal papers for the city or county where the property is located will publish which properties are going for probate process. And also you can go to the local courthouse and get the information as well. It does take some work because obviously you need to contact the heirs or the trustee and find out and when the probate is actually going to be completed, which it can take several months usually. But the process usually is very well rewarding because these properties will go at a great discount because, as I said, usually the heirs will prefer the cash to the parcel of real estate. So probate definitely is a strategy that a real estate investor should put into their own inventory building scenarios as far as building a pipeline of distressed or lower priced properties.